welcome back. So I'm gonna get started with these medium length coffin nails, and I'm gonna be creating these beautiful blingy nails here, you guys. I'm gonna be using these two glitters here, and I'm gonna get started with some base gel. So I'm gonna be adding one coat, and this is gonna be our glue for our glitter. I'm gonna be applying this mainly in the middle of the nail. I'm gonna be spreading a little bit of glitter throughout, but it's mainly gonna be in the middle. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and cure this for 30 seconds. Now I'm gonna be applying the first coat of base gel. So I am trying to cover these glitters really good. I don't want none sticking out. Once I cure them, I'm gonna be adding 2 more layers of it, curing in between. I'm getting started with this other nail here, and I'm gonna be doing it with this white glitter. This one's really pretty too. So I'm doing the same thing, guys, applying it mainly on the middle of the nail, going back and forth, curing and adding some base gel in between. Alright, so once my glitter is completely covered, I'm gonna add a nice layer of top coat, and I'm gonna be curing that for 60 seconds. Now it's time for my favorite part, adding some bling to my nails. You guys know I love that bling. So I'm gonna get out my glue and a couple of different type of rhinestones here. I never know how I'm gonna be putting my rhinestones, so I'm literally freestyling them as I go. So I will let you guys watch the rest of the video. Once I'm done adding that bling, I always like to wipe off my rhinestones with some alcohol to just make sure that they are clean and super shiny. Alright, so they are done, and this is how they look, guys. Look at that bling. I absolutely love this set outside, guys. They're so freaking cute, so shiny. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys on the next one.